Good morning. Just folding laundry so that we have all of our clothes to head into the very cold mountains. You are so strong. Earlier in the week we had the Parthenon, now we have the Colosseum. Alright, let's go pack it up. But first, pancakes and Pacers highlights. Ready to go to the mountains! There goes my hero to get me coffee. Like an angel bringing coffee.
There you go.
Thank you!
Hot.
So there's snow up at the higher elevations and takes away some of our longer hikes. So we're gonna do a series of smaller hikes today in the park.
First up, zip up my coat. Second up, trail of cedar. Let's go.
I can't quite go inside, but Abel probably could. He's going in.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Ah!
Welcome to Dead Fish Beach, Dad.
Dead. Trail done. Lots of little random side trips today. This one we went out to see the gorge, the river coming through the middle of North Cascades here. Now we're driving on towards Diablo Lake. I asked them to be calm and appreciate the view, and they're playing.
On to the Thunderdome Trail. Waiting on you.
Making a river crossing. Nice. That river crossing was awesome. It's fun to try to solve a puzzle. It's all mossy down here. Courtney just noted that it feels like we should be way more out of breath and way colder, considering that the snow-capped peaks are like all around us here. It's relatively warm and relatively smooth hike. Jose is describing Nessie because we think we see it in the lake.
It's like a brontosaurus, but with those fins that go on the hands.
Good description. You're at the actual summit. I wasn't sure if it was going to be worth it when we were winding through the forest, but being up here, up here at the top, the views are awesome. I love it here.
We're at the top. See a waterfall.
To be fair, I love any mountains, so. Here's my French. J'adore Colette Christine, which was Courtney's name in French class. And there she is. Chill chats with Bob. Alright, Bobs. What do you like better? Looking up to the mountain views or looking down to the lakes?
Looking down the lakes.
What do you like looking down into the lakes for? Looking for animals in the lakes? And then Nessie, looking for Nessie. I love this mountain. And I love this woman.
I love this daddy.
And I love this one.
I love that one.
And I love that one. You'll probably never see Gideon and Judah in these videos because they are our bear crew. They're heading out in front to make sure that bears don't get us. And I love the ones who are keeping the bears away. Oh, there they are. This is the view as we come down the trail. Also nice. You made it! The different parts of this hike were really cool. Down here it's all mossy and dark. Up top it was really light and I don't know, just a lot of sky and space. It's really different. Love it. And taking the bushwhacking trail. Those and Judah taking the very scenic route. One more view of my favorite mountain. Heading back to the end of the trail.
This hike deserves 10 out of 10 rating.
And back down to...
That's cool.
That was a cool trail. We ended up really liking it. One last little trail before we head out of North Cascades. Apparently they light this whole trail up with colored lights during the summer tourist season. That would be super cool to be back on this little trail during that time. It was cute for now, short, cool waterfall. Walking into the sunset. Time to eat and then good night. What do you think, Hose? Hose looks tired. Bob looks tired too. I mean...
Like and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell.